Hi guys, you're welcome back. In our last video, we did a challenge which was lone wolf in a class squad, and I think you really enjoyed that video. Yeah, we won it, and which means the method worked out. Yeah, that method worked out. But if you haven't watched this video and you're watching this and you watch this now, so go to the description below, which will take you to my page. You have access to my videos, though I'm also making shorts and main like movie videos. You will enjoy it. It's really interesting. So now we are going to work together as a team with the rest of the teammates and see how good it will work. Which one is better? You can also tell me in the comments below which one was better, which one we really did better. Okay, and if you want any other more challenges, you can tell me in the comments and I will do it. Thank you so much. Now we're going to start now. Don't forget, as we have said, we are going to work together as a team. Yeah, now the game is starting. I hope I'm able to win this game. As I said earlier about moving together as a team. So let's get to our teammates. Yo, someone is shooting us. We got, yeah, yeah. Chill, no, no, this guy got us. This guy got us. Oh no, this. Yes, now it's 1-1. I think says on God, guy. Let's hope this guy is able to make it through. What's this? This guy was standing there. He was actually standing there to waiting for the kill. Oh no. We're beating out to one. Let's get some of these. Don't forget we're working together as a team. Oh, that was a mistake, but I think, yeah, let's hope we're gonna get some enemies down. I think I can find some. Jeez! Oh no! He got us off guard. He got us off guard. Oh, not again, not again. I don't like how this game is moving. I don't like it at all.
Double kill.
We got one more standing. Oh, he's down. 2-0. Which weapon? Huh, let's hope this grocer works. We need to get some of those. Yes, a mushroom for treatment. Yeah, I'll do just that. Up, but together with the teammates.
First blood.
Mic on.
Yes, I think we actually got the person who's always. Let's just wait here patiently and hopes the enemy comes our way. Yes, we won this round. That was a nice game. That was a nice game. So now let's go get the enemies. Yeah, I told you earlier we're working together as a team. Ew, no.
First blood.
Jeez, we got eliminated right at the battle. No, no. 3-1. Let's check. Okay. Let's hope this place is the best. We already get our team are already getting wiped out. Very nice.
Double kill.
Yeah.
Triple
Jeez.
kill.
Oh. Right, guys. This wasn't really a good game. Oh, we fucked up. Oh, and we're just this close to winning that round, which brought us to this failure. But no problem. Any other challenge you want me to bring, drop it down in the comment below. Bye, guys. Until next time, stay awesome.